How to send stars on Monopoly Go. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to send stars to your friends in Monopoly Go. First things first, you need to earn some stars. Stars come from stickers. You earn stickers by completing tasks in the game, like rocking those in-game events. So, the more you play and participate, the more stickers you'll score. Each sticker has a different star value. Check the top corner of the sticker in your album to see how many stars it's worth. The rarer the sticker, the more stars it brings. Alright, here's the key to sending stars. Duplicate stickers. These are extras you have more than one of. You can see how many copies you have in the bottom left corner of the sticker image in your album. Once you've spotted a duplicate sticker, tap on it. You'll see a Send to Friend option. Here's where the magic happens. Choose your friend and confirm. That extra sticker becomes stars for them. Remember, there's a daily limit of 5 stickers you can send. So pick wisely and coordinate with your friends to maximize the star flow. By sending duplicate stickers, you're helping your friends and boosting your own collection through their returned stars. It's a win-win. And this is how to send stars on Monopoly Go. If you have any questions about sending stars on Monopoly Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.